Hey everybody, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited about this box. It's just something I wanted to share with you guys. It is, there definitely is some stamping, but this is more along the lines of planning. I got this from Catherine Pooler, and I haven't opened it yet, but this just showed up today. I'm kind of excited. I am definitely a paper person, obviously, since I do a lot of paper crafting, but even planning out my videos and just my day-to-day, I like to plan on paper. And so here's the box, and this is how cute it comes. Hey there, Dumpling. Now you'll notice that I did and here comes Miles. I made some cards last week using the Hello Dumpling stamp set. Let me see if I can pull those out real quick. No, of course not. I'll put them down. Here they are. All right, so okay, come on, buddy. All right, so here are the cards that I made, and so obviously these were from Catherine Pooler, but this must have been, little stickers from their release. I wish I could just keep that little sticker. I might try to find a way because I think that is so cute. All right, so here it is. Oh, a new one because they've got new colors, so I'll keep that one. And then we'll jump right in. So I bought a bunch of things to be able to do some planning because my planner is out. And obviously you can hear some clicking and stuff in the back. That is my cat, my dog, and my husband's playing his video games. But let's pull all of this out and then we can talk about the different stuff. I'm going to have to do something about that though, because the boys will be all up in it. Okay, so let's talk about each of the things. I got the Aquatini. This is the Aquatini Canvo journal, and let me open it up. It's for bullet journaling, and if you aren't aware of what bullet journaling is, you can definitely just kind of search that, and you'll find out lots of information about bullet journaling. It's just a really great way to do journaling. And this is, oh my gosh, this is even better than I thought it would be. So it's spiral bound, plastic spiral bound. And look at that. Oh my gosh, these are great quality, and they're all numbered already. They have the little dots and everything for your bullets, or for your journaling. Typically with bullet journaling, you'd have your first page would just be like your title page and your reference page, so that you'd know like what's on what pages, and then you could just go from there. But this has 150 pages, so that's 75 front and back, I guess, but 150 pages in here, so this is going to last me a good amount of time. It's high quality. This does not just seem like, this seems like a nice plastic cover. Love that. So that was the Aquatini Canvo journal, and I got a bunch of things to go with it. Let's talk about what we got. Now, I love this idea, the Canvo practice pad, because let's say I want to practice a page outline. This is great because then I can kind of stamp it out and kind of see if things work or where they work without doing it in here and potentially ruining a page. Now, it doesn't really bother me if I do ruin a page. That's fine. Unless you're somebody that likes to save all of your journals, which I don't typically do necessarily. But I do want it to look pretty because, I'm a paper crafter, so I want it to look nice. So this is just practice pages, and it has 40 sheets in there. So these are perfectly sized for that. I also got, what else did I get? Okay, this is it's a stencil, the half calendar stencil. So this will be great. These are all designed to go together. So I'll be able to put half the calendar on one page, half the calendar on the other page, and then I can fill them in as needed. So that, I bought that. And I'll have all these things linked down below in the description box. I also got this one. This is the Months Many Ways stamp set. So this will be great. I like the idea of having, if I wanted to do this on every page, that would be fine with me. Just to be able to have a reference of, what day is what. But then you also have the Sunday, if you want to do it this way, Sunday, Monday, all the way through Saturday, or Monday through Sunday. That's fine. Or then you have each of the months. So this goes really well. That's just one way to have a calendar. I also got this one. This is the Year-Round Essentials stamp set. Now, I know that Catherine Pooler does a monthly. If you definitely like planning, she does a monthly box that will, for every month. And I think this was supposed to come in January's. I didn't buy the kit, I didn't sign up for the kit, but I don't know if I enjoy doing this and I stick, you know, like really stick to it. I may get it because I think that kit comes with a stencil and a few stamp sets, and it's actually a very reasonable price. But I liked this because it had the months the way that they were. You also have your days of the week, and then you have like take pictures, you know, your time, TV, laundry, coffee, and then this little, I know this was supposed to probably go with one of the stencils that they had, so who knows, maybe I'll go back and buy that stencil if I find that this is something that would be useful. But this is kind of neat. I'm sure you could find fun ways to use it, and I liked that with birthdays, so you could list out the birthdays for each month. So that's great. Love that one. And then we had this stamp set that I bought. This one is called Put a Pin in It stamp set, and I just loved this. So if I wanted to do my weekly, you know, like a weekly page, I could do four on each page, and you'd have 8 days or whatever. And this could be for each day. Plan out your day if you really wanted to do it that way. There's lots of ways to do it. If you go to the Catherine Pooler page, there's other, you know, there's ideas. But I just thought this one was super cute because we've got the little postage edge, you've got bubbles, so you could make yours yourself, do them a certain way. I loved this one because you could put the date in there. You got a little pin, you've got a little like idea bubble, just some little decorative edge there, some little lines that you could do to make your edges, a light bulb, you've got your conversation bubble with a heart, one with an exclamation, one with a question mark, you got some cake, coffee, this cute little notepad, so that's cute, like you could make that, I don't know, there's all kinds of ideas, but I just loved this. So I'm excited to do some. And what I would like is if down in the description, or the, down below in the comments section, if this is something you're interested in seeing, is maybe seeing how I plan out a calendar, like maybe doing a couple pages or doing a month, a quick month. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, please put that down in the description box down below, because I would love to do something like that if that's something that y'all are interested in. And like I said, I only got a few things. If I enjoy doing this, I may start getting the monthly kit, but I've always been a journaler, or yeah, a journaler, and I've always been somebody who likes to have my calendar right there in front of me on paper. I can't do it on my phone. It just does not work for me. So I love this idea. And I know that these pages are supposed to be thick enough and good enough to be using, especially the Catherine Pooler inks, but you know, any inks and good pens, because this is a, I don't know exactly what the weight of the paper is, but this is some good quality paper, and I am excited to do this journal. And I didn't think it was that expensive, so I think $24.95, and they had lots of different designs. So that is that. And then I did get one last thing, and it goes with our little, what is this one called? It's called, yeah, Hey There Dumpling stamp set, and I have the matching die. I went ahead because I love this stamp set so much. I got the I Love You Soy 6x6 patterned paper. So let me open that up really quickly so that you can take a quick look at that. And again, I do apologize for all the clicking. My husband is playing his game right behind me, but I had to do this unboxing because I really wanted y'all to see it. Okay, so let me just pull this open, and then you can see how absolutely adorable these papers are. So they're 24 sheets and eight unique designs, 80-pound cardstock, so very good. And it's just the one side. So we've got, and it looks like it's, yeah, 8. So 3 sheets of each. So I'll put that up there. So that one, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So 3 of those, 3 of this one, 3 of the cute little dumplings, and those all have that little face that I just love. Then we've got some stripes. I love these colors. I think these probably match the new colors, which is great. That one, this one, and this one. And I love this is nice and like good thick paper. I don't know. I may end up using some of these for some slimline. Oh my gosh, some mini slimline. That would be fabulous. Okay. So there we have it. That's what I got. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box if that's something that you might be interested in. And yeah, I would love to know what you think. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye everybody.